Picture yourself sipping piña colada on a pristine beach, exploring exotic destinations, indulging in world-class cuisine, pampering yourself with spa retreats and indulging in all the luxuries life has to offer. Sounds incredible, right? This is the retirement you deserve. From the moment you hit that golden age, you should be living like a superstar. No compromises, no limitations, just pure extravagance. Retiring rich isn't just about having a mountain of cash. It's about achieving true financial independence. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms, without any constraints. In this video, we're going to unveil a roadmap to retiring in absolute style. This is not your average retirement plan. This is the blueprint for creating a life of opulence, luxury, and endless possibilities. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an extraordinary journey towards financial freedom and a retirement that's beyond your wildest dreams. Let's begin with step 1. Setting your retirement goals. Get ready to dream big and make those dreams a reality. This step is crucial because without a clear vision of what you want to achieve in retirement, it becomes challenging to create an actionable plan. So, let's unlock the power of your imagination and set some compelling retirement goals. Start by asking yourself, what does retirement mean to you? Is it about traveling the world, spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or perhaps starting a new business venture? Take the time to reflect on your passions, interests, and aspirations. This is your opportunity to design a retirement that aligns with your unique desires. As you visualize your ideal retirement, be as specific as possible. Instead of saying, "I want to travel," imagine the exact destinations you want to explore, the experiences you want to have, and the memories you want to create. The more detailed your goals are, the more real and tangible they become. Remember, retirement is not just about financial freedom. It's about living a fulfilling and purposeful life. Consider how you want to make a positive impact on the world during your retirement years. Whether it's through volunteer work, philanthropy, or mentoring others, think about the legacy you want to leave behind. Once you have a clear vision of your retirement goals, write them down. Putting your goals on paper solidifies your commitment and makes them more tangible. You can create a retirement vision board or use a journal to capture your dreams and aspirations. Display these visual reminders where you can see them daily, fueling your motivation to work towards them. Whatever your aspirations may be, it's crucial to set clear and specific goals. Write them down, visualize them, and make them a part of your daily focus. These goals will serve as your guiding star, pushing you forward even during challenging times. Step 2. Building your financial foundation. Now that you have your retirement goals in sight, it's time to assess your current financial situation. Take a deep dive into your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Calculate your net worth and identify areas where you can optimize your finances. To start, it is essential to have a clear vision of what you want your retirement to look like. Define your retirement goals, envisioning the lifestyle you desire and the activities you wish to pursue. This vision will serve as a guide for your financial decisions and help you determine the amount of money you will need to support your desired retirement lifestyle. Early and consistent saving is a fundamental aspect of building a robust financial foundation. Creating a budget is key to building a strong financial foundation. Cut out unnecessary expenses, prioritize saving and investing, and create a plan that aligns with your retirement goals. Remember, every dollar saved and invested today will amplify your future wealth. The power of compound interest works in your favor when you start saving early. By making regular contributions to retirement accounts or other pension plans, you can take advantage of long-term growth opportunities and accumulate substantial savings over time. Consistency is key, as even small contributions made consistently can have a significant impact on your retirement nest egg. Alongside saving, it is crucial to develop a comprehensive retirement plan. Assess your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, and debt. Determine your risk tolerance and investment preferences. Seek the guidance of a financial advisor who can help you create a personalized retirement plan tailored to your unique circumstances. This plan should incorporate strategies for diversifying your investments, managing risk, and maximizing tax advantages. Managing and reducing debt is another crucial aspect of building a strong financial foundation for retirement. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances or personal loans, as they can eat into your retirement savings over time. Develop a debt repayment plan that aligns with your financial goals and work towards becoming debt-free before entering retirement. Furthermore, ensure that you have adequate insurance coverage to protect your assets and mitigate potential risks. Health insurance, long-term care insurance, and life insurance are critical components to consider when planning for retirement. These policies provide a safety net and help safeguard your financial well-being against unexpected events. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your retirement plan is essential as your circumstances change over time. Monitor your investments, reassess your goals, and make necessary adjustments to ensure you remain on track. Stay informed about changes in retirement laws, policies, and regulations that may impact your retirement planning, and adapt accordingly. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being can contribute to a more enjoyable and active retirement. Prioritize self-care and incorporate activities that promote overall wellness into your retirement plans. Step 3. Investing for your future. Now that you have a solid financial foundation, it's time to make your money work for you. Educate yourself about different investment opportunities and strategies. Explore options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and maximize potential returns. Investing for a prosperous retirement requires careful consideration and planning. One of the most crucial aspects is starting early. By beginning your investment journey as soon as possible, you give your money more time to grow through compounding. Even small, regular investments can accumulate into significant wealth over several decades. Don't forget the power of compounding. Start investing early, reinvest your earnings, and let time work its magic. Compound interest can turn small investments into substantial wealth over the long term. Diversification is another key principle in investing. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, you can reduce risk. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from the volatility of any single investment, as different assets tend to perform differently under various market conditions. Taking a long-term perspective is essential. Short-term market fluctuations are inevitable, but it's important to focus on the long-term trends and stay committed to your investment strategy. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on temporary market movements, as they can hinder your overall returns. Utilizing tax-efficient accounts is also beneficial. Retirement accounts offer tax advantages that can enhance the growth of your investments. They may provide tax-deferred growth or tax-free withdrawals, allowing your money to work more efficiently for your retirement goals. Step 4. Strategic planning and wealth preservation. As you accumulate wealth, it becomes crucial to protect and preserve it. Create a comprehensive estate plan, including wills, trusts, and powers of attorney. Consult with professionals, such as estate planners and financial advisors, to ensure your wealth is safeguarded and distributed according to your wishes. Additionally, consider tax-efficient strategies to minimize your tax liability. Stay informed about changing tax laws and explore options like retirement accounts and tax-efficient investment vehicles. Lastly, communication with your loved ones is key. Ensure that your family members are aware of your estate plan, the location of important documents, and your intentions for wealth distribution. Open and transparent communication can help prevent misunderstandings and ensure that your wishes are respected. Remember, wealth preservation is not just about protecting assets. It's about creating a lasting legacy and securing a solid financial foundation for future generations. By implementing strategic planning, asset protection, tax efficiency, and ongoing review, you can ensure that your wealth withstands the test of time and continues to benefit your loved ones. Step 5. Continual learning and adaptation. Preparing for a wealthy retirement extends beyond traditional financial planning. In today's ever-evolving economic landscape, Continual learning and adaptation are essential elements for achieving and maintaining financial growth and security in retirement. A wealthy retirement requires staying informed and engaged with the financial landscape. Keep abreast of industry trends, economic developments, and changes in regulations that may impact your retirement planning. Continually educate yourself about investment strategies, tax-efficient savings vehicles, and retirement income options. By staying informed, you can make informed decisions and seize opportunities to optimize your financial situation. The more you learn, the more you can optimize your wealth and retire with confidence. Adaptability is key to navigating the unpredictable nature of the financial markets and the evolving needs of retirement. As you progress through different life stages and encounter shifting economic conditions, be willing to adjust your investment portfolio, revisit your retirement goals, and reassess your risk tolerance. Adaptation may involve reallocating assets, exploring new income streams, or even extending your working years if necessary. Being flexible and open to change allows you to navigate challenges and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Congratulations! You've completed our comprehensive guide to retiring rich and planning for a luxurious future. By setting clear goals, building a strong financial foundation, investing strategically, and preserving your wealth, you're well on your way to a retirement that surpasses your wildest dreams. Retiring rich is not an overnight endeavor. It requires discipline, patience, and perseverance. But with the right mindset, knowledge, and determination, you can make it happen. So, start today and take control of your financial destiny. Remember, you have the power to shape your own destiny. Don't settle for an ordinary retirement when you can retire rich and live a life of abundance. Take the first step today and embark on this exciting journey towards your dream retirement. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey towards a luxurious future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on wealth creation, financial freedom, and living your best life.